A scroll saw is a small electric or pedal-operated saw used to cut intricate curves in wood, metal, or other materials. The fineness of its blade allows it to cut more delicately than a powered jigsaw, and more easily than a hand-coping saw or fretsaw. In this video, we will show you guys the 5 best scroll saws you could buy now. All of their links are available in the description box if you are interested. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump to the video. Number 5. Dewalt DW788 20-inch Variable Speed Scroll Saw. The Dewalt DW788 20-inch Variable Speed Scroll Saw is a scroll saw that is well made and very easy to use. The Dewalt DW788 is the whole package regarding scroll saws. This model is relatively quiet, easy to operate, and versatile enough to meet the needs of beginners and more discerning woodworkers. One of the top overall scroll saws, the Dewalt DW788, has a throat depth of 20 inches, allowing cuts up to 2 inches deep. In addition, it accepts only pinless blades, which may be a bit of a learning curve, but allows for easy, tool-free blade changes with less frustration. The power switch, speed control, and tension lever are conveniently located on the front of the upper arm and within easy reach as you work. The oversized cast iron table provides ample workspace for your projects, and the machine has a double parallel link arm that helps reduce vibrations. The saw features a double parallel link arm that pivots from the back of the saw to the front, shortening the distance it needs to move in. As a result, reduces the saw's vibration, allowing you to work more accurately. Number 4. Dremel MS21 Moto-Saw. The Dremel Moto-Saw is a compact scroll saw perfect for woodwork hobbyists and more light-duty scroll saw users. This Dremel has variable speed settings that let you easily control the saw's cutting motion. In addition, the Dremel Moto-Saw only uses pin blades, which are easier and quicker to change than pinless blades. Another thing to know about this entry-level scroll saw is that it lacks a miter gauge or rip fence. However, a bonus of the Dremel Moto-Saw is that it can be used in handheld mode, making it a go-anywhere coping saw. In addition, it's more compact and mobile because instead of taking the workpiece or material to the saw, you can take the saw to the material you want to cut. You can easily detach the saw assembly from the table or base and use it to cut the material wherever it is, affording you more freedom. In addition, it has variable speed control. You can vary the speed of the blade to match the material you're cutting, and you can cut different types of materials with it, including wood, plastic, engineered lumber, and even metal. Number 3. Ryobi 16 Yen Corded Scroll Saw. The Ryobi scroll saw is a 16-inch electric scroll saw with a deep cutting capacity. Like most other scroll saws in this category, this Ryobi scroll saw ticks all the boxes and doesn't leave out a feature most people accept at this price point. Equipped with variable speed capabilities, the saw also has an integrated blower that keeps the cut line clear for accuracy. The machine also accepts pin or pinless blades, depending on your preference. A cast iron base supports the saw and minimizes machine movement, although you'll still have to deal with some vibration. While this budget scroll saw may not be able to handle intense scrolling projects, it's a fine choice for basic woodworking crafts. Since it's lightweight, it's easy to move on and off the workbench. Choose the Ryobi 16-inch corded scroll saw if you're looking for an affordable way to complete basic scrolling projects or want a scroll saw with a tilting table that won't throw your budget off balance. This model features a 16-inch throat and tool-free blade changes to make life easier. Number 2. JET JWS 22B 22-inch Scroll Saw. The JET 22-inch scroll saw is an innovative and thoughtful design to create the machine you've been waiting for. The best part about this saw is the blade change process. In addition to the upper mechanism, the toolless lower blade holder is removable, and the table features a slot for the blade. The features don't stop there. This saw offers 22 inches of throat capacity and an arm that tilts 45 degrees left and 45 degrees right. This saw is designed to optimize your scrolling experience. From the variable speed range to a top lift spring-loaded arm, this saw comes fully loaded with all the features you'd expect from JET tools. Then you replace the holder, sliding the vertical blade through a slot in the table. The magic happens at the top. The blade fits into an opening with an attached lever that automatically grips and tins the blade when engaged with no thumb screws or fiddling with the tension knob. In theory, you can prepare several blades and holders in advance, and it cuts smoothly and with a minimum of vibration, and its power and speed are acceptable to range them quickly while sawing. Number 1. EXCALIBUR 16 Scroll Saw. The 16-inch EXCALIBUR scroll saw allows you to tilt the saw head instead. This outstanding feature enables you to have a flat, steady, and consistent surface even when making bevel cuts. With this, you can tilt the head 30 degrees to the left and 45 degrees to the right of the table. In addition, it is equipped with an upper and lower blade guard to prevent accidental contact with the blade. For added safety, a switch protection device prevents you or anyone from unintentionally starting the machine. Changing blades is quite easy with EXCALIBUR. First, you must free up and raise the upper arm, which will stay up until you replace the blade and bring it down again to secure it. An attached disc collection kit beneath the saw table helps suck off any disc produced during operation, keeping your workpiece and tool free of sawdust. It is a good choice for someone upgrading from an entry-level saw because most entry-level saws are of similar size. Make sure to check the description box for all the links regarding the mentioned scroll saws. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We will be back with more videos soon.